Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Sorry for the late start this morning. How's everyone doing today? Everyone enjoy their weekend? Up here in Canada, it's a long weekend, so for Thanksgiving. So if you hear any noises, my whole family's home. What's up, guys? Okay, so our game plan. Let's go over. So we gapped down. If you watched my video, last night's video, I was stating that I found a pattern, okay, that happened May 5th or May 4th of 2022. And that's kind of what it's starting to look like at the moment. So to make sure that candle this pattern is going to play out, confirmation for this pattern to play out, I don't want to see us go above 429.25. But other than that, let's get into it. So we ended up closing, the previous close was 429.54. Put that level on your charts, ladies and gentlemen. All these red lines that I have, dotted lines, I'm going to make them blue again. The dotted lines are previous closes, and I turn them blue once the gap has been filled. We still have one gap on our chart right now, 432.24, as well as 429.54. So I'm just going to make a new, add to the chart right now, 429.55. Oops. 54, there you go. So this is our new gap. We have two gaps above. We're currently looking at 429.54 and 432.23. The key levels to be watching today is the same key level from the last 2 weeks, guys. The big key level I was telling you guys about, 429.26. 429.26 is the level that we need to be watching. This is going to be the make or break level, okay? We're going to be making sure we're either going to be holding as a support for a push to 430, or we will be looking for a rejection to 422.50. Okay, those are the two levels I'm currently watching, as well as the little micro ones. So if you guys have a pen and paper, or you're on your computer and you want me to, if you want to see all the levels I'm going to be playing today, I'm going to give them to you. So first things first, the biggest one, guys, you see how it was a previous roof. This is a big roof right here at 430. We cannot hold its support and broke down. I'm going to be watching for 430. After that, it's the gap fill at 429.54. Under that is the previous support of Friday, 429.25. After that is going to be 428.45. Then we're going to go to 427.90, 427.31, and the big key level, guys, 426.96. The lower supports, so 426.13, we broke through it. We did not retest it. We just did in the pre-market. So this is make this line look a little different, okay? I want you guys to just to know. So let's make this yellow, or we can even make it white. This white line, we're going to be watching, okay? 426.13. After that is going to be 425.48, 425. You see the previous roof tier, we made it support and we ran. The lower level, 424.50. The previous roof was 424. You see all these wicks here, and we did not test it as support. We just blew through it. So all eyes are going to be as well at 424. So that's what I'm looking at today, guys. I'm sorry my chart is so messy right now. It's just with that big rip yesterday, all the key levels, these are all my sniping key levels. for the range that we've been in for the last 2 weeks. So this is that's going to be my game plan. So I'm going to be looking for puts for 4:30. So I'm going to pre-plan all my trades, okay? So going into this morning, we're going to be watching 4:30, okay? When it goes to 4:30, I'm planning to hit puts. A level for calls is going to be 426.96 support. I'm going to hit calls down there. I will hit calls again at 426, and I will hit calls again at 425.48. So we should be able to get a nice trade this morning. Keep in mind, I do not play the first 5-minute candle, so that just keep that in mind. So if we hit a major key level within the first 5 minutes, I still do not play that level. So we're going to be talking as a collective on the Discord, guys. We're going to be coming up with a game plan and any big direction up or down. But these are the levels we are currently watching. So there is a bunch to pay attention to. But remember, we're snipers, guys. We get in and we get out very quick. Okay? I don't want anyone holding contracts that are going against them. Don't be scared to cut it. Just get in and out, guys. If you see a play going against you, if you're buying a put in that level at a key level and it becomes a support in the 5 minutes, just cut it. We'll re-enter. Don't worry. And vice versa. The same thing in a call turns into rejection. Just get out of it. There's no point of holding. Stay away from same days. Give yourself time, especially on today's like this. It could be very volatile. So I want you guys to be playing with safer contracts. And even going 3 days out, guys, they're like $2.30 to high $2, right? Nothing is, or low $3. Nothing is crazy expensive. So keep that in mind. It's all about the contracts you are buying too. Some of these levels are macro levels and some of them are micro levels. But when it comes to today, they're all going to be micro levels because each one of the levels we have, we either made a support or resistance and moved to the next level beneath of us or above us. So keep that in mind. I'm going to be sniping a lot of these levels, but if we get a big move in the first play or two, guys, that's it. I'm going to call it a day. We're going to make our money and get the hell out. And if you are a part of sniper trading, we're going to be doing a masterclass today, somewhere between market close, or I may just record it and then just post it, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, guys, what's everyone looking at? Does anyone watching the live stream right now have any questions for me? Just you can type them in the YouTube chat or on the Discord chat. I'm live streaming on both, so it doesn't matter. Anything you guys want me to look at, we're fine. Razorbacks, I'm going to be going back over. I'm going to put them in the key levels. What's up, Carter? What'd you say? Oh, you swung 428 puts? Great job. Great work. Hopefully you got a good average on that and shorted somewhere at the top. I didn't like swinging. I did identify a pattern. I just wasn't... There's something about just swing trading, man. I don't mind swing trading shares. I will swing trade shares. For instance, I buy SPXS. Okay, that is definitely something that doesn't lose theta. Okay, and a much safer. It's the inverse of SPY, but it's shares. So you're shorting the S&P 500, buying shares. If you do have capital, that is one of the best things to do, instead of going with options and losing the theta. So if I'm swing trading, I would rather it be shares. Just when it comes to options, man, it's like one big move, guys. You're going to end up taking a big, massive hit one day, and you're going to end up holding it, thinking it's going to come retrace, and then you can just get screwed and lose everything. So we are sweating up for possible swing trades very, very soon. But as of right now, I prefer to stay cash at the end of every day. Well, hopefully that paid off for you, Swaggy J. I was, Wild Bean says, in one of your recent videos, you were bullish short term and bearish short term. Are you feeling the same? I was very bullish, guys, in the 420s. Now, I guess we could still be bullish up into 432. I really want to see that gap fill, and I'm just going to go from there. I knew we weren't done with the 430s, and we ended up hitting it, okay? We just went just shy of that gap at 432.30s, so, or 23. So I'm just going to be, I don't want to switch up yet, okay? I still want that gap to fill. I still feel like we could see that gap fill, but there is such thing as a partial gap close reversal. So on the daily, it pretty much filled it. It didn't hit the exact number, but it went up close enough to it. It could be a partial. So that's why I'm keeping an eye on puts for right now. But when it comes down to a level, if you are bullish, just make sure you're buying at one of these levels, guys. You're gonna get out fine as long as you are buying at a pre-level or at a key level, right? You're pre-planning your trade and stay true to your conviction. But if that level goes against you in the 5-minute candle, a support or resistance, just get out and look for a re-entry. Don't just hold. I don't care if you have 6-month contracts. Don't just buy and hold for no reason. Make sure you're buying where you're supposed to buy. You're getting the confirmation. And then once that trade goes against you, or you don't like it anymore, it's starting to go in the opposite direction, a nice floor, a nice roof being developed at a key level, that is when you should just let it go, right? Take your profits or set your stop loss or break even. Where do I think we finished today? Honestly, I'm not sure. Remember, guys, I don't have a crystal ball. My method of trading is I'm a sniper, I'm a scalper. I don't care about the trend for the day. So that's why I like just taking my money, guys, and whatever happens, happens. There's been a lot of fake outs lately. It all depends, right? If we see 428.45 turn into a support, we're going to 430. It's a fact. And if we see a rejection of 426.96, so 427, we're probably dropping to 425.48 and lower. So that's just how I'm viewing the chart right now. We did drop and we're just consolidating in a straight line right now. So it's very hard to know the trend for the day. No one has any questions? Any other stocks you guys want me to look at? Let me know. Let's check the Discord. Thanks, Wild Bean. I appreciate it, brother. I am trying. I know the first little bit of YouTube videos are kind of cringe to watch, but you got to do it, right? I know what I'm good at what I do, so it just takes time to be able to explain it into words and to teach, right? So it's we have been doing it very well lately, and the YouTube videos are getting easier and easier to do. And as you can tell, I don't pay an editor, guys. I do it one shot. So before that, I'm probably making mistakes like 10 videos and have them keep start over again and again and again, but it's working. Anyways, thank you. I appreciate it, buddy. Oops, that's open. Let's take a look one more time. Okay, so looks like we have a floor. You see how we had a previous floor here? We broke through it, came into a wick, guys, on the 5-minute, and we shot up. This same level, we are holding a support. I feel like we are still going to come back down to it. But yeah, this is a good range, guys. Like, this is either going to be calls or puts. I don't want to tell you just to buy one. This is for between 426.96 and 426.66. Just from what the chart's showing us, guys, this is going to be a level for either calls or puts. So this is going to be a buy or sell zone. And if it comes down to it and you're buying calls and then it comes up, acts of resistance, you sell and you hop into puts because you know we're going to be going to 425.48, and vice versa. We break through it, we come back up, you buy puts and it holds its support, you sell, you swap sides, and it will go higher, right? This is a level that you're able to switch out of. But if you get faked out more than twice, leave it, stop trading, let the play break out or break down, and then play it. It's very important that you guys you have time. Michael, I am going to be doing futures. I actually just loaded money to a futures account, and I will be trading more futures. I've never traded it before. I only trade options, guys, options and shares. Recently, I guess with a lot of the mainstream traders are all doing funded accounts and whatnot, so I chose, just to better able to help people and to also know the hype about it, I funded an account to, I didn't put nothing big in. I just put like 100 grand in because everyone with funded accounts are probably going to have the same size, and I will be doing that. But I'm going to be I'm just being honest, I have never traded futures before, guys, so it's something new to me. So before me just throwing money at it, obviously I got to learn how to do it properly. But I was told you can just use SPY's chart, so I'm confident in that. SPY is my BITCH. I know exactly how it moves just from the multiple years of just continuously watching it. Kimberly, I think that the war may have a little impact today. I'm not sure though. Let's just wait to see. We're in a range, guys. I gave you those key levels. You can always go back to this video. It's going to be up on the channel, and just go in the morning and I give out all my levels. Oh, sorry, Brian. Good morning, Brian Trades. I didn't see you. Master Dream went with a short. Yeah. Oh, that was a good put. Well, let's wait to see what happens, right? Just know your levels where you're going to cut. Know the key levels, guys. Okay, guys. Anyways, I'm going to get going. I got to hop on live stream in like 6 minutes. So I will be back tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern time. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments on the YouTube videos. I'm trying to post a video every single day. So if you need to get a hold of me and you are not part of the Discord, just feel free to type anything you guys need in the comment section, and I will be sure to answer it. I'm going to get going right now. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I appreciate it. Go back to the video, take my key levels. Those exactly are the ones I'm playing. Previous close, 429.54. Between there and 430, I'm going to be a little bit bearish until I'm proven to be wrong. Okay, so that's my game plan, guys. Thank you for your support. I will see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. same time. Thank you, guys, and take care.